And now, San Diego Connect.
I'm Ashley Hawk. With concerns about crime and personal safety, some people are looking to take steps to defend themselves. David Nance, CEO of SABRE, is here to share some tips to stay safe. Welcome, David, and let's get started talking about jogging.
Thanks for having me, Ashley. So according to Runner's World, 43% of people are harassed when running, and up to 30% of people are actually followed. So there are some safety tools made by SABRE to help you in those situations. Number one, we want to keep you visible at night when it's dark outside. This flashing light will help prevent collisions, but it also has a clip making it very easy to wear and a siren on it that can be heard up to 1,300 feet away, drawing attention to you. We also provide ways, though, for you to protect yourself. This is an adjustable hand strap. It's ambidextrous. It has a reflective logo. So again, you can be seen at night. And it's a pepper gel, which allows you to protect yourself against multiple threats at the same time, if need be, all from this small canister right here that's very easy to carry.
Great. Can you tell us more about SABRE?
So SABRE is a second generation family business. We're the global leader in personal safety products, in manufacturing pepper spray products. We do that out of our headquarters in St. Louis, Missouri. Our products can be found at most major retailers. And we are also the number one brand used by professionals such as law enforcement. So that gives us a lot of credibility to the safetiness of our products.
That's great. And what's the difference between the pepper spray and the pepper gel?
So pepper gel has become the most popular personal safety product. And that's because, number one, the top concern is this going to allow me to protect myself and escape to safety? People know the SABRE brand is being very reliable because it is the brand that's used by professionals. But the next concern they have is it going to affect me? It's quite windy in San Diego. It's quite windy in Chicago where I live. So when you're out and about, wind can be a factor, especially while you're running. This doesn't atomize like a traditional aerosol type spray. It shoots further, it sticks to the bad guy and won't affect you, allowing you to escape to safety. That's the most popular feature of pepper gel.
And how can we find out more?
You can find SABRE products at Big Five Sporting Goods, at Lowe's, at Target, at Walmart, and then, of course, you can visit our website, which is sabrered.com.
Thank you, David. And for more information, you can go to sabrered.com.